Welcome to the assembly manual of the Nice cabinet.
In step 1, position pieces 2 and 7 and fit the D accessories. Fix the L and B accessories in the indicated locations. Position the pieces 1 and secure them with the L accessories. Fix the accessories O and I in the indicated locations. In step 2, position pieces 3 and 8 and fit the D accessories. Next, attach the M accessories to piece 4. Now, attach the M accessories to part 3. Fix all the P accessories in the indicated locations. In step 3, fix the L accessories in the indicated locations. In step 4, position pieces 10 and 11 and fit the D accessories. Position part 8 and secure accessories M. Fix the P accessories. Position part 9 and secure accessories M. Fix the P accessories. Position part 7 and attach accessories E. Fix the accessories C and L in the indicated locations. In step 5, fix the P accessories in the indicated locations. Fit the D accessories. Attach the J accessories. In step 6, position part 15 and secure it with the N accessories. Position pieces 16 and 17 and secure with accessory N. Fix the H and N accessories in the indicated locations. In step 7, attach the A and K accessories. Fix the accessories F and K to parts 14 and 15. In step 8, fix the R accessories in the indicated locations. Next, fix the accessories G and K in the indicated locations. Fit the S accessories. Finally, fix the accessories Q, X, and W.